Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Male in Fashion. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Anson Ratchet Belt. So this belt sells for just under $50. As you can see, they actually include instructions on how the belt works, right? So they show you the latch component, the ratchet component, the magnet and the release lever, as well as where to insert the strap, how to release it, and also how to actually adjust it if it's too tight under number 4. And then in terms of the fitting instructions, this is how you would adjust it as well. So it's actually good that they include this, so in case you're unsure of what to do, this is a really good instruction guide on how to set your belt up. So in terms of the belt, this belt sells for just under $50. So the top of this belt is made of top grain leather. It's really good quality leather on this, as you can see. So let's take a look at the inside of this belt. So this specific belt is the chocolate colored belt with a gunmetal buckle. As you can see, it's a very luxurious looking chocolate color. So let's take a closer look at the buckle. The clip's actually pretty easy to take off there. One of the easier ones around. There's actually a magnet over there. You can see that. It actually holds the whole, helps with the mechanism over there. So that's kind of interesting that there's a magnet over there. Probably better to see it this side. That's how that works. So this is going to look pretty much like all the other ratchet belts. You can insert it there. The clicking is not as pronounced as in some of the other ratchet belts. Maybe it's because of the magnet. I'm not sure why that is. And when you release, you're going to move over there, lift this up over here, click, and then release it that way. Okay, and that's how that works. So if we're going to measure this, we can see it's going to be around 1¼ inches. Which is, Anson makes all their belts in 1¼ inches.